Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a question that's been on the minds of millions. Can AI replace your job? With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, automation, and machine learning, it's no wonder people are concerned. But is it all doom and gloom? Or does AI also open up new opportunities? Let's dive into the truth about automation and its impact on the workforce. Before we explore the impact of AI on jobs, it's important to understand what AI and automation really are. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines designed to simulate human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Automation, on the other hand, refers to the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. Together, these technologies can revolutionize industries but also disrupt traditional roles. Let's look at some examples. AI in customer service. Chatbots like ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries. Automation in manufacturing. Robots assembling cars on production lines. AI in healthcare. Algorithms diagnosing diseases from medical images. One of the most common fears is that AI will make certain jobs obsolete. Historically, jobs involving repetitive tasks have been the first to face automation. Here are some sectors currently at risk. Manufacturing. Factories increasingly use robots for assembly, packaging, and quality control. Retail. Self-checkout systems and inventory management automation are replacing human cashiers and stock clerks. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles threaten jobs like truck driving and delivery services. Customer support. AI-driven chatbots are replacing call center agents for basic inquiries. Real-life examples. Amazon's warehouses use robotic arms and conveyor belts to sort and pack goods, reducing the need for human labor. Tesla's self-driving car technology has sparked debates about the future of taxi and rideshare drivers. While AI excels at repetitive and data-driven tasks, it struggles with jobs requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. Here are some roles that are harder for AI to replicate. Creative professions. Writers, artists, and filmmakers rely on human creativity and originality. Healthcare professionals. While AI can assist, the human touch in caregiving is irreplaceable. Education. Teachers not only impart knowledge but also provide mentorship and social interaction. Skilled trades. Jobs like electricians and plumbers require hands-on expertise and problem-solving on-site. AI lacks the ability to truly understand human emotions, context, or nuanced creative thinking. For instance, while AI can write a news article, it may struggle to create a heartfelt story that resonates deeply with readers. AI isn't just about replacing jobs, it's also creating entirely new industries and roles. Some examples include AI development. Engineers, programmers, and data scientists are in high demand to create and maintain AI systems. Ethics and regulation. As AI grows, we need professionals to ensure ethical usage and compliance with laws. AI trainers. Many AI systems require human input to learn effectively, creating jobs for trainers and annotators. Specialized AI roles. From drone operators to VR designers, new fields are emerging thanks to AI technology. Consider the rise of social media. It created entirely new professions like digital marketers, influencers, and content creators. Similarly, AI will pave the way for careers we haven't even imagined yet. If you're worried about AI replacing your job, the key is to adapt and future-proof your skills. Here's how. Learn new skills. Stay ahead by learning skills that are in demand, such as coding, data analysis, or digital marketing. Embrace lifelong learning. The job market is evolving quickly. Take online courses, attend workshops, and stay updated on industry trends. Focus on soft skills. Emotional intelligence, communication, and creativity are areas where humans have a strong advantage over AI. Explore AI tools. Understand how AI can complement your work. For example, a marketer can use AI for analytics, freeing up time for strategy. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses on AI and automation that can give you a competitive edge. The rise of AI also brings ethical questions. Is it fair to replace humans with machines? What happens to displaced workers? Job displacement. While AI improves efficiency, it can leave workers unemployed or underemployed. Bias in AI. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns. AI often relies on massive amounts of data, raising questions about how that data is used and secured. Policymakers, companies, and individuals must collaborate to ensure AI is used responsibly. This includes reskilling programs, safety nets for displaced workers, and ethical guidelines for AI development. So, can AI replace your job? The answer isn't black and white. While some roles will inevitably be automated, others will adapt and evolve. The key is to see AI as a tool, not a threat. By embracing change, you can position yourself to thrive in an AI-driven world. AI and automation are reshaping the world as we know it. But with the right mindset and skills, you don't have to fear the future. Instead, you can be part of the exciting opportunities it offers. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Let us know your thoughts. How do you feel about AI and its impact on jobs? See you in the next video. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content on technology and the future of work. Share your opinions in the comments below. Are you excited or worried about AI's role in the workforce?